Hi, I'm Carolyn and I'm going to be talking to you today about how to make quilts out of all the bits that you have left over. These quilts, traditionally called strip or string quilts or string quilts, have got quite a long history. Over the years I've always enjoyed antique quilts and old quilts, and if I can't always buy a quilt I will sometimes buy a block, and I've noticed lots of blocks that are made from strings that people have obviously started on but they haven't finished. And this was one such block that I bought a while back, and this is a typical string block. This is the sort of thing that actually you can just sit in front of the TV. I have them on a tray and I just do endless amounts of these. So I end up with my piece of calico with my guidelines, and these are actually on the, not that you can tell the right or the wrong side of calico, but these are on the wrong sides. The fact that I've done it in pencil, it's not going to matter. It's a guideline for sewing from the back of the block, so as long as the line is smooth and straight, it won't matter too much what you use to draw it with. Of course, once they're trimmed, you can start playing about with your star and create your star from. There we go. There's one here, and this is one that we did previously.